Okay, let's try a little video again. A little different than yesterday, as you can see. We've got basically blizzard conditions. Almost nobody up here. Nobody's doing up, basically. Let me get my glove on here. I'm up at the Little Thunder Run, which is the bunny slope. Because this is a whole new ball game in this kind of stuff. So the really nicely groomed trails froze overnight, of course. And we got all this new snow on top. And that's just a challenging, different condition than I've ever been in before. So the biggest challenge is you can't see anything. You can't see whether you're going to come up to a bump or anything. So let's just go straight down the hill here. What's to catch an edge if you don't have your balance just right. And that's just tough when you can't see. Slow, yeah, I'm trying to go as fast as I can. I'm going pretty slow now, though. Very slow snow here. See if I can actually make it over the hill. Yeah, I needed to go down this bunny slope a few times to get the old confidence up before I get onto some of the bigger hills. Maybe one more run. So we've probably got about 6 inches already, and so it's still all day and all into the morning tomorrow. So I got at least 2 feet up here, I'll bet, if not more. Hope to come back tomorrow with Maya.